everyone, Thomas here at mgmclassiccars.com, and I have this gorgeous little 1967 RS Camaro that just came in, and it is beautiful. Beautiful bright red paint. I'm gonna walk around the car and then I'm gonna get a little bit closer and start nitpicking the car for you guys. So once again, we'll move in a little bit closer here to show you guys. And I'm gonna point out any imperfections that I see, okay, in the paints, because I do nitpick my own vehicles. And keep in mind, all these little nicks and knacks that I'm gonna be pointing out to you guys are all repairable. I have a great airbrush touch-up painter that I call him the magician. Everything down here looks great. All the chrome, the bezels. These bezels are new. These are all LEDs in the back. There's your reverse lights on the bottom under the chrome bumper. That tells you that it's a real RS, one of the indications. Beautiful reflection. And I'm gonna talk about the vinyl top because there is some bubbling under the vinyl top here. This can be removed, this peeled over, and this all to put Rust-Oleum in here and then put that vinyl top back. I can do that for you guys as well, so that doesn't ever come back. Nice rear chrome bumper. Look at the reflection in the paint, really nice throughout. No nicks. I don't see any dents, no rust, anything in that nature. Okay. RS headlights do function. It does have them set up on the modern electric setup there. There's the front spoiler there. Beautiful grille. Moving a little bit closer. There's a little nick right there. See that? Okay, as you can see, the car hasn't been buffed out yet, so it's gonna look a little bit nicer than what it looks now. Check out the wing windows. As you can see here, that's only in 1967. You see the disc in there, front power disc. Very clean, very nice. Dual sport mirrors on both sides. Actually, it only has a single mirror. Sorry about that. They mostly came with the single mirror. Let's check out the interior. Original interior, but in really nice condition. Door lips look great. Door panels look good. A little blemish there on the handle. It's replaceable if you want it perfect. Rockers look good. Door jambs look good. Vertical stripping looks replaced. Weather stripping on the doors look okay. I would replace them. Nice dash pad. Nice factory original RS steering wheel. Nice gauge setup with the RPM tach. Factory original center console. That little box on the seat is the satellite radio. Back seat intact with the seat belts. Package tray. Your headliner. Dome light works. Okay. Let's check out the passenger side now. I took some photos of underneath the car. Very solid, very nice. What a great price on this Camaro as well. jams look great here. Okay. There's your wing window. I opened up this side. It's great for ventilation. There's your antenna. Let me grab the keys. I want to pop the trunk for you guys, and then what I would like to do is pop the engine compartment and have you guys hear it. Square key for the ignition, and the round key is for the trunk. Your gas cap right there. Spare tire. Underneath the carpet is very solid. Nice quarters. Here's your original stampings for the quarter. Amp for the stereo system. Same on this side. Stampings for the original passenger quarter. All original, guys. As far as the quarters, very hard to come across on a 67 first year Camaro, especially an RS. It's got the look, guys. You have to admit it. All right, so now getting to the hood part. Here's where you, right down here, there is the pull latch. You see that right there? Pull it. Hood pops open. Here we are. A nice built 327 steel heads, nice Chevrolet valve covers. Hoses have been replaced. Chrome alternator. There's your power disc set up for the brakes. Your gearbox. And your power steering. No overheating issues. Argent painted latch for the hood. Hinges, because that's how it's supposed to be from day one, if you guys didn't know that. Nice 4-barrel carb. Engine sounds great, which we will fire up. If you guys want to upgrade to different headers, we can do so here at MGM Classics. Headlights in the front do open as well. So now let's get in the car, grab my square key. You got 2 sets of keys for the car. We'll fire it up. I want you guys to hear it. All right, so we'll start with this. There's your left turn signal. Your right turn signal. As you can see, horn works. Here's for your wipers. They function. Your headlights, you'll hear them. Okay, they are in the open position. Doesn't that sound good? Check out the headlights. They do work. All right. Shut this baby off for a minute. All right. So as far as financing, excuse me, I got 4 levels of financing. So we'll start with level 4. Level 4 is a credit score of below 600, from like a 550 to a 599, gets you this car. Most likely, well, definitely 10% down, maybe 20. Level 3 gets you, with 10% down, credit score between 600 and 649. Level 2 is a credit score of 700, or should I say 650 to a 699. And then you have level 1, which is 700 to 800, which is probably the best rate category that you'll get, and a 15-minute approval. So many different lenders that I have to work with. If you guys don't need financing, then just give me a call and we can finish the deal. If you need delivery, make sure you go get a pen. I'm going to give you my phone number shortly regards to that. So if you guys are watching the video, and I appreciate your time telling me you're a serious buyer for my cars, my Camaro. I have other beautiful pieces here at mgmclassiccars.com. So check that out. When I showed you everything about the car, guys, I am brutally honest with my vehicles. I drove the car, runs, drive, stops great like it should. And I would take you guys for a test drive, but the weather here in end of January is not that good in Illinois. So that said, if you guys are interested, please call me or text me. My number is area code 847-848-1850. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, click the red button on the bottom. It says subscribe to my channel. If you're on Facebook, go to the search bar in Facebook, type in mgmclassiccars.com and like my page. So anyway, that's what it is, guys. My 1967 RS Camaro. They're getting harder and harder to find, these vintage Camaros, man. This is a good condition car. Definitely want this, especially for the price. Like I mentioned, some of the upgrades on the car that, like I can do the HID headlights in the front, the long tube headers. We can add that onto the car. It's got a decent stereo system in it. Doesn't need that. You already got the rear LED lights. If you're looking for an air conditioning for the car, they're not cheap. It's $4,000 installed for the air conditioning. This car, the only kit you can put in this car is vintage AC. Cool Masters won't work because of the center console. So keep that in mind. That's everything there. So call me, text me. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching at mgmclassiccars.com.